Hi, for those of you who are not familiar with Velixo reporting, it's just an Excel reporting tool for Acumatica that is pretty useful. It has a lot of features, and just recently I noticed one issue when I'm working with Microsoft Office 2010. Would like to show you and ask your advice. Maybe someone faced similar issue and has any suggestion. Basically, I don't have the Velixo reporting tool installed on my PC yet. I'm going to create a Word file in which I will embed Excel spreadsheet. So pretty often I use Word file with Excel spreadsheets for price lists, quotations, etc. And I will just embed a very simple Excel into this Word file. So how will I do it? Just open Excel, very simple one, and I'll just populate it with some data, very simple one, and then this small spreadsheet I'm going to copy over to my Word file. I'm just copying through the clipboard, basically pasting it here as a Microsoft Excel worksheet object. Okay, so this will be a small Excel spreadsheet embedded into Word file. Okay, pretty simple file, and I'm going to save it to my desktop. Okay, now what we can do with this file is in order to edit the figures here, we technically don't need to open Excel. So I'm closing the Excel that was open before without saving it, and now I have only a document file open. So in order to edit the file, I just right click, worksheet object, edit. That is the way we edit embedded Excel file in the Word. Okay, now let me install Velixo reporting. So now I'm closing my file with all the changes made. Let me put it here so it's just ready to run, and let me install the Velixo. Okay, basically it's done. So normally when you run Excel next time, you can set up a connection and it just registers with the system. In my case, the antiviral software is just prompting for this Velixo add-on, and pretty much okay, just works. Okay, so the Acumatica tab is here. You can use it from here. Okay, let's go back to our document. Okay. So now I would like to edit my embedded Excel spreadsheet. So right click, and you see the system is running Velixo already. Is just trying to run this DLL. Okay, never mind, the antivirus is trying to check it. Okay, so I'm just going to edit my object, and that's what I'm getting. So basically I'm getting this message because of the com object added to an Excel file. So if I uninstall Velixo now, everything gonna work well, but with Velixo it doesn't. So if anyone faced this issue, please advise. And also after you close everything, right, and after you close the Word file, it's still running. It's still running on the background. You can see Excel is still here. And Dr. Watson is here is because of the prompt when I closed the Excel, but this Excel is still running. So even if you ended up, it will basically start again next time when we get this prompt with the file. So if I try to edit the Excel spreadsheet embedded again, it will just allow me edit and prompt this error, and then Excel is now in the taskbar. Task Manager is running Excel. See here. Okay, that's it.